Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Canada National, and I am at the train and bus station here in Battle Creek, Michigan. Gonna be railfanning here today. Yeah, going to be getting my first train of the day. Got a yellow signal on down there. It's an indication of a train coming. Don't know where he's at, but he should be coming soon. I hope. They always put these lights on and then they don't show for a while, but hopefully it won't take him too long. But when he gets here, I'll get him. But until then, everybody, see ya. Hey, everybody. Just still waiting for that train to come. But somebody wanted me to talk about some stories here. So, here's a story. I was down here railfanning once, and all of a sudden, this train went on an emergency stop and completely stopped. Now, don't ask me what happened, why he stopped, but yeah, he stopped on the tracks. Yeah, I've seen him do that before. Then I've seen somebody riding between two auto-wreck cars. Yeah, this person was riding between two auto-wreck cars. Now that's kind of crazy. He was just standing on the things that connect to a train. And then I've seen people hop over a moving train. And then I've seen people, oh my God, climb over a stopped train. So, yeah, I've seen it all here while railfanning. I really have. It's hilarious too. Yeah, really hilarious. But yeah, somebody wanted me to tell some stories, so there's a few stories to tell all of you. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video with Mr. Canada National today. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below. And hey, subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I pop up a train video, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Saturday, May 18th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video will be over. Have a good one, and thank you for watching, everybody.